I got y'all right here on the daily chart. As y'all can see, nothing has changed and it's still going according to plan. Anyways, as y'all can see, we already got our spike up here to the 50, so we gotta get a spike across this 20, which should be coming soon. And after that, we're gonna start making moves. So like I mentioned in my previous video, 3770 is the last support level before we start making some, some noticeable moves as people gonna start feeling. So anyways, go a little closer than 4 hourly. So I'll get y'all, set on this. As we can see, there was the first dropout point. See, we dropped off, then came back up to test it again to get rejected. Like I mentioned, that came on down, right? So basically, it's a test of the 100 EMA on the 4 hourly. You see, this is one test right here. That's two tests. This is the third. That's how I know it would be that drop that we're expecting. And boom, it dropped all the way down. Boom. Always got to drop below its previous high. Well, excuse me, its previous low. And gets lower. That's how you know it's continuing going down. So anyways, you see we came back up. What we're doing now is testing the 50 EMA on the 4 hourly. We tested 1, 2, 3. Like I said, market makers love doing things by threes. So anyways, y'all can see we got the 3 hits and we did not break through. So that is confirmation that is going to go even lower. So our only options left is we could come up here, right? Hit the 20 EMA and basically just bounce in the general zone at least 2 more times to test the 20 EMA 2 times. 2 more times. Well, it's about to test it now, but basically 3 and 3 tests to the 20 EMA, and then we'll get rejected fully, and we'll make a crazy drop because there's nothing else, no more EMAs. There's no nothing. It's free game literally after that happens. And the other option is we could just come hit this 20 EMA and just crash it, because at any point in time they can just crash the market. And I've been warning y'all, telling you this is what they're going to do. I'm telling you the reason, everything. Is there. But anyways, for the short term, right, we basically will just come up here to this 20 EMA. So I'll say that'll be around like 38,500. Most likely it'll be just before you get there, because they know everybody having orders just sitting right there, you know what I mean? So they'll stop it just before they get there and get the rejection. So we'll probably be testing around that general area 2 more times. If not, either way it goes, we're going down. And our next level we'll be looking at is recovery of this candle right here, and that's around 34,800. So yeah, that's a nice little drop, but it could continue. To be honest, I'm just being honest. After it dropped below here, this is the last real support level, but it's not really support, but that's what the chart shows. Just a recovery of this candle, but we'll get a bounce, but it's not gonna stop dropping though. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to understand. So, like I say, our upside is 38,500. Then a rejection. Go back on a daily. See, still going on the plan. So, boom. Y'all see where I say 3770 was the last real support level, right? So, that's why we just basically stay in this general area. But then we're going to drop down, like I said, to our next level. But we could push even lower because, it's all free game. Because our next real support level is at $30,000. And I say this is because the recovery of these candlesticks right here. Boom. And then once we get down there, right, what probably will happen, most likely we'll come up here and test this 200 EMA, come back up to around 34.5 and get rejected, and then we'll crash all the way down back to the $20,000 range. The reason I picked $20,000, I hit y'all on the weekly so y'all can see, is it was previous resistance when Bitcoin first had its first major run. So like I told y'all, this is all a part of the pandemic, because there's no way that this came out just like this. Look at what's happening around the world. What's the odds of the chart showing this? The odds should be 0, but it is happening anyways, and it's clear as day why it's happening. This is all a part of the plan. And check out my TikTok if y'all wanna, find out more about this plan. I know a lot. That's if y'all interested now. If y'all can handle some new information that you probably never heard of before. But I suggest y'all check it out before it's too late. But you know what I mean? But anyways, also, as y'all can also see, it's a large M formation. On the right side of M formation is a head and shoulder formation. On the right side of head and shoulder formation is a smaller head and shoulder formation. So this thing is looking extremely serious for a crazy drop at any point of time. And I explained that to y'all, but we're here. And when this happened, the other markets, the stock markets, everything is going to crash too. It's about to be a whole reset of all the finances So I mean, y'all just need to pay attention what's really happening around here. I mean, like I say, and just get ready for it because it's about to come. So yeah, long story short, again, the upside 38,500, then get a rejection. And our next real support level is down here 30,000, and then we'll get another drop down to 20,000. But like I said, at any point in time, they could just drop it all the way down to 20,000 if they really wanted to. But anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.